everyone. So today we'll be talking about the special kit from SpeechGears. So the one which I'm holding right now is a hard one. So we have two categories in this. One is a hard one and another is the soft one. So in details I will be talking about that also. So you just have to lift it up and that's how we open the box. And this is the beautiful box. So yes, so what you have to do is like you have to just push your thumb, yes, and that is how we open. So this is the special kit, as you can see. Okay, so it has all the tools which we'll be using for our oral cavity, including our cheeks, lips, tongue, jaw, hard palate and everything. So as we know that oral cavity is mainly for our speech clarity, swallowing and feeding. So we'll be discussing about all these tools in details. Talking about the series of special kit. So today I'll be explaining about the functions and the usage of tongue steer. So tongue steer mainly can be used for tongue elevation, tongue lateralization and tongue depression, and also for lip seal. So today we'll talk about how we can use this for tongue elevation. Okay, so can you just stick your tongue out? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'll just show you from the other side also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, tongue elevation is required for producing all the palatal sound. Next, we'll talk how we can do the lateralization. Okay, can you just put your tongue out? Yes, good job. And I will slightly move to the side and stay there for 1, 2, 3, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Can we try the other side also? Yes, and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So tongue lateralization is very much important for movement of the tongue within our oral cavity, which is very helpful for getting the food from one side to the other side, and which will also help in chewing and mastication. This also can be used for lip seal, which will prevent a lot of drooling and also food spillage from the mouth. To know about more details of tongue steer, please go through the website of SpeechGears. Thank you.